Yes, this is revision short 2, female reproductive system will be discussing here. We are talking about human reproduction. We are doing revisions for a CBSE upcoming exam. So in female reproductive system, it's located in the pelvic region, uh, and it consists of ovaries, oviducts, uterus, then cervix, external genitalia, and mammary glands. These are the parts, these are the components of your female reproductive system. These structures are structurally and functionally integrated to support all these structures like ovaries, oviducts, and other things. They support number one, ovulation, number two, fertilization, number three, pregnancy, number four, childbirth, and number five, lactation. Now, when we talk about ovaries first, like these structures over here, the diagram, this diagram is very important. This is given in your textbook. So these are primary female sex organs. This question has been asked many times. Which of the following is the primary sex organ in females? It is ovary is the primary female sex organ. Functions, they produce ovum and secrete ovarian hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Then location in on each side of lower abdomen. There are two. One is on each side of the lower abdomen. Then size is 2 to 4 centimeters. It is given in your textbook. Structure, outer thin epithelium, ovarian stroma divide into your two regions, that's cortex and medulla region. Cortex is outer region and medulla is inner region. Then oviducts, or we call them as fallopian tubes. Length is 10 to 12 centimeters. This is very important. It extends from the ovary to the uterus. Now, what are the parts of this oviduct? You have infundibulum. You can see here, infundibulum. It is funnel shaped and it is near to ovary, and it has these finger-like projections which are called as fimbriae. These finger-like projections, they help in collecting the ovum. Then ampulla, second region, is a wider region. It's site of fertilization, ampulla. And then you have isthmus, this structure. It is narrow lumen. It joins uterus. So if it's asked which of the following is close to the uterus itself, it is isthmus. Which of the following is away from the uterus, it is, and close to the ovary, it is infundibulum. So remember the structures are very important. Then site of fertilization has been asked many times, ampulla. Uterus. So uterus is a single organ. It's also called as womb. Shape, if we talk about, it is inverted pear-shaped. It is supported by ligaments. Uterus is supported by ligaments. Layers of the uterine wall, like number one is your perimetrium. This is outer thin layer. Then number two is myometrium. It is middle thick muscular layer. This layer shows strong contractions during the childbirth. Myometrium, just remember it. Then endometrium, it is inner glandular layer. It undergoes cyclical change during menstrual cycle. So this is endometrium here. Cyclical change happen on this one. Then cervix. Cervix is a narrow opening of uterus which opens into the vagina. The cavity is called as cervical canal. If we combine these two, cervical canal and vagina, they make birth canal. Combinedly, they form the birth canal. Then mammary glands. Mammary glands are paired structures. They are characteristic of female mammals. If we talk about structure, there are 15 to 20 mammary lobes. Each lobe contains alveoli. This alveoli is different as compared to lung alveoli. Please do not mix them. Then many times what has been asked here is the milk secretion pathway. It starts from the alveoli. Let me give you the pathway here. It starts from alveoli. Then it goes to the mammary tubules, then to mammary ducts, then mammary ampulla, mammary ampulla, and then to lactiferous ducts. Lactiferous ducts. So this is a sequence of milk secretion in females after the childbirth. This sequence has been asked many times in the exam. So the female reproductive system is specialized for gamete production, fertilization, fetal development, childbirth, and nourishment of newborn. This is all about female reproductive system. The diagrams which are given in your textbook, the diagram of the mammary gland and the diagram, this one, they're very important. Hope you understand. Thank you.